हाय, मैं हूँ अनुराग द डूड और ये है प्रिया माय दीवानी.
And we're here to take you on an incredible journey.
Wait. Don't forget to like, share and comment on our video.
Also, click on the subscribe button. And for more videos on ZZest, don't forget to hit the bell icon. पिछले 20 साल से हम साथ साथ ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं.
नए प्लेसेस, नए कल्चर्स, नया फूड.
दुनिया की सैर ही हमारी अपनी दुनिया बन गई.
चखा, देखा और बहुत कुछ लिखा.
Then we discover कैसे एक चीज दूसरे से कनेक्टेड है.
इंग्रेडिएंट, डिश या आपका फेवरेट ड्रिंक, हर कहानी की होती है एक बैक स्टोरी.
The what, where, when, why of food. That's our passion.
सतरंगी फूड.
Atrani connection.
Join us on Dude और दीवानी.
Honey.
Yes, darling.
Not you, silly. I'm talking about honey. I mean, how amazing is nature? The flowers have pollen and nectar. The birds, bees, and butterflies come cross-pollinate. The bees suck on the nectar
Yeah.
and then regurgitate and store it in their perfectly made honeycombs. I mean, so much effort goes into making honey, and we just eat it all.
We guys eat it on means? You guys eat it on. I've seen you guys. You put it in idli, in dosa, in chutney, in curries. You put it in everything. हमारे लिए बचता क्या है?
Yeah, we Kodwas eat a lot of honey. But why not? At one time, Coorg was the highest producer of honey in the whole of Asia. We eat lots.
But तुमको पता है हनी इतना थिक कैसे बनता है?
I wonder how you're so thick.
क्या?
Tell me.
So you've seen bees dance, no? Like it's a form of communication for them. So you've seen their wings flap also, no?
हाँ.
तो उस movement के कारण जो water content रहता है honey का, वो evaporate कर जाता है. And that's how honey becomes so thick. I mean, unseen to our eyes, nature is at work and food is being made for us.
Unseen to my eyes, अगर breakfast बन जाए तो?
Yeah, that'll be great. Oh, you mean me only, no? Getting, madam. Breakfast is ready.
क्या है पाया?
Honey glazed sausages, sourdough bread, some curd, and assorted honey for my honey.
Yay! Awesome! Sourdough bread and curd, both made by Lactobacilli.
Yeah, imagine अगर वो नहीं होता तो there would be no curd, no cheese, no beer, no wine, no kimchi. पता नहीं लोग लॉकडाउन में क्या करते हैं?
That's right. Yeast is yeast and yeast is best also.
I have got these wonderful honeys for you from all over India. Like this one is eucalyptus honey.
Wow!
Like this is orange blossom.
This is what I'm going to try. Can I have my plate?
ये है saffron honey. ये है wild tulsi. Eucalyptus.
Great. And my sausages.
This is for you.
Thank you.
You remember the Uttarakhand ka honey?
Oh yeah, the
Kumang.
Kumani honey.
Yeah.
Orange, rhododendron. I'll never forget that.
But पता नहीं, I don't understand लोगों को maple syrup कैसे पसंद आता है? मेरे को तो honey ही अच्छा लगता है.
Maple syrup is to US and Canada what honey is to us.
अच्छा?
You know, in Quebec, I came to know that the Algonquin tribe, they were the earliest Native Americans, among the earliest to tap into maple syrup.
Tap into मतलब बोले वो क्या है वो? What is maple syrup?
It is the cell sap of the sugar maple tree from the xylem.
Oh, so it is xylem lotion.
But
Nothing. It's a North Indian joke, Baba.
Anyway, what they did was they used to make V-shaped cuts into the tree trunk and allow the cell sap to flow into these big birchwood buckets
Oh.
and leave it exposed overnight. The next morning, the cold Canadian air would freeze all the water content. So they just have to skim off the surface of the water, you know. And if they wanted it more concentrated, since they didn't know the V-flap dance, they would chuck hot cooking stones into the maple syrup and it would evaporate the water.
गरम पत्ता है?
हाँ.
पता नहीं उनका ब्रेकफास्ट कैसा रहता होगा.
क्यों?
Laughing feather, pass me some honey. You know भैया.
Only you can think of something like that. They used to actually cook venison in maple syrup and offer it to the chief.
तो कहाँ है लॉर्ड टेनिसन का मेपल वेनिसन?
Lord, तुम तो सिर्फ लार्ड हो बेबी.
वैसे you remember Dr. अनुराग गोयल from
Rainforest Retreat.
from Coorg? वो बता रहा था कि you were saying something very interesting about your nuchikum.
Oh, my favorite.
तुम लोग का जो मशरूम है ना कूर्ग में.
It's a local variety of mushroom that is like rice grit, like broken rice. Hence nuchi.
Oh.
Nuchikum. One of the many varieties of local mushrooms that we get in the monsoon. Best eaten with akyoti as a curry and of course a little honey.
So anyway, Doc was saying कि ये जो nuchikum है ना, it is farmed and harvested by termites.
Shut up.
I'm telling you.
What rubbish.
Baba, I took a video. I'll show it to you.
Oh wow.
ये देखो. So what they do
No.
is, your termites है ना, they take all the organic matter नीचे underground. उसका वो सफेद pellets बनाते हैं. They bring it to the surface. That is what sprouts into the mushrooms.
Crazy.
Unbelievable, no?
Oh, termitomyces because it's from termites.
Correct.
My God. You know, in West Africa and Zambia, they have the world's largest edible mushroom.
Oh.
Termitomyces titanica. It's 3.5 feet in diameter.
Really?
Can you believe that? I can't believe our little nuchikumu comes from the same family.
Nature is magical that way, no? Imagine probiotic food. आजकल कितना hot है. बिना lactobacillus के क्या possible था वो?
We wouldn't have had mishi doi,
We would have had छाछ
lassi,
और मज्जिगे सारू सर.
of course.
And what about mothers? एग्जाम के पहले, जर्नी के पहले वो चीनी दही कैसे खिलाते हैं? बिना lactobacillus के.
Yeah,
तुमको पता है बिहार में we eat a lot of curd.
that I know.
कर्ड हम लोग का फेवरेट है, तो दही चूड़ा खाते हैं वहाँ पे. और पता है दही का हम लोग क्वालिटी कैसे चेक करते हैं?
कैसे?
उसको दीवार पे फेंक के मारते हैं. अगर वो चिपक गया, इसका मतलब वेरी गुड. अगर वो गिर गया, तो इसका मतलब ओके. हाँ. तो अभी देखते हैं ये दही कैसा है.
Don't even think about it.
अरे पापा, मैं तो टेस्ट करने की बात कर रहा था.
Painting. Where the... Sorry, I'll take that again.
बार बार कथा में विघ्न. क्या?
Zest को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि हमारा कोई नया वीडियो मिस ना हो.